Hi! So in this video we're going to go over how to add end credits to your stream. It's pretty simple. Yeah, let's get into it. So we're going to go over to Streamlabs, not to be confused with Stream Elements. And obviously this is what you see on the page. Scroll down, do end credits, click, get the widget thing by here. It's really zoomed in, so I'll zoom it out for you guys. And yeah, this is what you will see. This is pre-set up on mine. I've set up, but basically you can change between what you want. So you have default, which is this, very basic, simple. You can have bubbles. So it comes up little text bubbles. I like my little star ones. Those north, night, you know. You just find something what you like and it will work. As you can see, we got little stars at the corner of the screen. You title it whatever you want, write whatever text you want to appear at the top. I have thanks for supporting the stream. Background color, I have mine set to black. You can choose the font, play around with that. I have my font size set to 66, as I feel like that works well. Tick whatever boxes you want to show up. What text color? Just have these, I think they come like that. Loop option, I will click that just in case, that way it constantly loops. You can play with the roll speed. I find 2 seconds, delay time 1 second, and roll speed 2 seconds works well. Show amount enabled, roll credits on page load enabled, and I got the enable custom HTML disabled. And obviously save it. Make sure you save it. If you don't, things will not work. They won't be set how you set them. And then obviously copy, it's important. Copy it. Do that. So we go like that. And yeah. Copy. Then you go over to whatever scene. So I have the end credit scene by here. Now they're not popping up because I haven't put any streams on. But then you go to browser source, ending credits, and you paste them like that. And they will appear. Click test roll credits. And as you can see, they are appearing. I click test roll credits over on Streamlabs. So yeah, they should do that. And then after every stream, they should do that. Yeah, so just click over here, test roll credits. Yeah, that's pretty much how it should be done. It's very simple. I will say sometimes the way Twitch, OBS, Streamlabs, everything is, they do break. So you might have to go in and redo it. Just recopy and paste stuff. They might break and work the next stream. It happens. It's the way, it's the nature of the game. Things break. Technology isn't always reliable. So you just have to keep playing around, but that's pretty much how you do it. So yeah, I hope that helps.